Chief Minister N. Biren says the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reassured Manipur's integrity will be intact and no action will be taken bypassing the state government. Congress Legislature Party MLAs will leave for Delhi tomorrow to urge Congress and central leaders to take measures against disintegration of Manipur. And Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights observe its 8th Foundation Day on Children of Today, Our Keepers Tomorrow theme at Old High Court Complex today. Kurumjari, good afternoon. You're watching Tuesday After News. And I'm Victoria Ratramari with you. Our top stories this afternoon. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena today stated that Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reassured that the territorial integrity of Manipur will not be affected and that no actions will be taken bypassing the state government with the arrival of final Naga peace accord. He added that the BJP-led state government firmly believes in the centre's assurance and hence there is no need to carry out any further protests with regards to the Naga peace accord. Speaking to media at Chief Minister's Secretariat, Nongthombam Birena added that Union Home Minister Amit Shah gave the assurances about not harming the territorial integrity of Manipur or any changes in the state's administration during a meeting held in Delhi, which was attended by Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly and other ministers. Birena maintained that the Home Minister further assured of consulting with the stakeholders concerned of the state before concluding the Naga peace accord. The Chief Minister stated that the Home Minister will soon call a meeting with the stakeholders. Birena appealed to COCOMI leaders to speak out their minds during the meet, but to hold a prior meeting with the state government, which will be convened at the earliest. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena appealed to people of the state to stay calm as the central government has already assured to fulfill their demands. He criticized the former government for almost disintegrating Manipur to gain political mileage and lauded the BJP-led government for taking initiatives to unite various communities in the state. Chief Minister also appealed to those concerned not to boycott the upcoming Sangai festival as it will bring a bad reputation for the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯧꯔꯥꯡꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯕꯥꯎꯟꯗꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯃ ꯀꯦꯇꯦꯒꯣꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯦꯁꯨꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 2 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯒꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shahji's version ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅꯤꯅ we firmly believe, we firmly trust on him. Maramdi, we do honor our leaders. Hoi kana gumbagi matamda sarkar state ta leiba sarkar amagi wa center na ta daba state na tauno haiba center na tausalak mayam ma thomba yai thoki bisu lei. Honorable Prime Minister na, Honorable Union Home Minister na adu leiba central leaders na Manipur gi interest hokadaba thabak tauroi. Hairiba sing sigi final decision laudringai da stakeholders sing Loina amuksu unagini haibasi nahanmak chatpagi ekhoi Honorable Minister Speaker yaung chatpa igdugi timdu su same commitment same assurance pire.
State Congress Legislature Party MLAs will leave for Delhi tomorrow to urge the Congress and central leaders to take measures against disintegration of Manipur. CLP leader cum ex-Chief Minister Okram Ibobi disclosed the same to media persons during a press meet held at his residence in Bopara in the presence of CLP MLAs today. Ibobi maintained that CLP leaders have already sent appointment letter to meet with the Prime Minister. He said that they will pressurize the Prime Minister and other central leaders to preserve the territorial integrity of Manipur. Okram Ibobi stated that the CLP MLA's team will camp in Delhi and urged the Congress leaders to take measures against disintegration of Manipur by the finalization of Naga peace talks and against passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the upcoming winter session of the Parliament. Maintaining that 90% of Manipur's land area is hilly terrains, Ibobi asserted that development of Manipur, which comprises of both hills and valley regions, will not be possible until and unless hilly areas are developed. He stated that the people of Manipur welcome a definite resolutions on Naga issues to bring development in the hilly regions. However, it should not affect the territorial integrity of the state. Claiming that establishment of a territorial council is showing seeds for formation of a state in the far future, Ibobi asserted that such act will have consequences in the upcoming days. He suggested that developmental works for the hilly areas can be taken up through the autonomous district council if centre provides budget for the same to the state government, as such works were taken even in the past.
अखोइना एप्रीहेंशन लेरिबो पुनमक्से हुजी नत्रसु कोन मणिपुर से कायरक याबगी प्रोविजन अमक थंबिगनो वारोइसिन पोरननब होटनबदा इनौ नौबा पानगा बोदी बो हारसु और एनी टेरिटोरियल काउंसिल हारसु अनौब एक अमा मदु दरकार ओइदे हुजिक लेरिबा 1971 दा पास तौगिबा ऑटोनोमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल मसिदैदा फर्दर एमेंड तौरगा अनौब एक अमा सेमदना डिवोल्यूशन ऑफ पावर से एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिवली हारसु और नत्रगा फाइनेंशियल पावर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पावर हाइब तारगसु मसिदा अदुम पीबीबा याय अखोइ सिदैदा एनी एनएसएन आईएम की खंगदे और एनी अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अमगी कोना स्टेट विदिन द स्टेट ओरकपा याबगी मसिगुम्बा एनी प्रोविजन अमता टेरिटोरियल काउंसिल हाइबना चिंगबसे मसि अमता हापीगनु सी
Manipur University Council has appealed to fight for preserving the territorial integrity of the state. Manipur University Community, Manipur University Teachers Association MUTA, Manipur University Staffs Association MUSA and Manipur University Students Union MUSU jointly carried out protest demonstration against disintegration of Manipur by the finalization of Naga Peace Accord at Manipur University complex today. Speaking to media, MUTA Executive Member Dr. N. Sanatomba said that Manipur University community believes that closing down of various designated camps of NSCN-IM and deployment of armies and paramilitary forces in the state is a sign that the final outcome of Naga Peace Accord will be against the state's interest. Maintaining that the state government's failure to give assurance on the demands of Kokomi reinforces their beliefs, he warned that the people will even lay down their lives to save the integrity of the state.
Peace talk asigi marumda peace nataba appeasement talk koina lakhiba mi pelan nabagi ngaktan ki pelan nabagi oina lakhiba aduguma tung koina long term measures long term adugumba plan ama yaudaba asigumba makhalgi peace talk ase ekoina masik ekoi welcome taude Nagaland amasung Nagaland ki boundary ki manungda NSN IM Nagaland the base toba NSN IM ki karigumba condition amada hekta yanakhiba ekoi university community ki site welcome tawjagani adubu Manipur gi integrity ase maruina emotional integrity amasung cultural integrity sina sing businga se hanagi saktam ase kainana bagi silakpadudi ekoi yabanga moy duko kokomi amasung haujik leiriba phibam asedaida Manipur gi integrity kairoi dobu oragadi Manipur gi karigumba phibam amata da condition amata da kaihel gomsi amasung kai nanaba silakani haibagi karigumba condition amta laite Haragadi Karigidamata Ekoi Kokomi Saitiki, Wari Haba, Tangai Padrivano, Haiba, Wahanga Sisu Agi Saitiki, University Saitiki, Hangzani.
A team of Naga Mothers Association guarded by Nagaland police arrived at the Impulse Classic Hotel last night. Impact News sources said that the association will meet with Mairapaibi associations of the state regarding the Naga peace talks at around 1 p.m., followed by a meeting with the leaders of Coordination Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 8th Foundation Day observance of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Afternoon News. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, MCPCR, held its 8th Foundation Day at the Old High Court Complex in North AOC today. Speaking at the event held on the theme, Children of Today are Keepers Tomorrow, Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah said that every child has equal rights as that of an adult. She asserted that those who commit crimes on children shall be legally punished. Dr. Najma Haptullah maintained that MCPCR has been striving to ensure and protect children's rights since its inception, as aim is to protect the interests of children and to stop crimes against them. She maintained that the main annual report of MCPCR for 2017 and 2018 was also released on the occasion. 6 meritorious children from child care institutions of Imphal West and Imphal East districts were also felicitated at the event.
Every child, whether a boy or a girl, irrespective of age, is unique and has value importance as a person with the right for their human dignity to be respected. When we understand and respect children's dignity, we are able to create better protection mechanisms, and the children themselves can act as active agents in their own protection. This helps to develop and build recognition of children as independent bearers of the rights with a sense of identity and a positive implication of their self-esteem.
Attending the program, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan urged people to introspect on whether children below the age of 18 years are getting their benefited rights or not. He maintained that every child needs care and protection by their family as well as elders in the society. Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that as per the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, amended on July 18 this year, offenders will get punishment of imprisonment, fine and even that penalty. He appealed to people to protect children who are the pillars of society. A short play entitled Tumina Laikashira, based on child trafficking and child sexual abuses, was also showcased on the occasion.
More than 300 millions of children all over the world are denied of their rights. Aikogi Manipur is a zone of conflicts. Angangsing ipiba angangsing to da aikogi hujik leiriba conflicts and crises mayam asina encircle torkan da aikogi young minds sing se masi already kare haigani wagi freedom of thinking aduga good the positive approach to la to bodo aikoina spoil to bodona ngasi gi society sina tawe United Nations gi magi convention da piriba protective of families and protective of communities. I would communities na children sing se, angang sing se, karamaina koina protect or se, masi rethink and re-examine, and we have to perform our family and community roles.
As a part of security measures in Imphal City, Imphal West District Commando team conducted cordon search operations at Dharmashala, MG Avenue, Alugali, Imakaithil, Chamber of Commerce, Kasturi Thong and Thangal Bazaar today. The team led by Imphal West Commando OC P. Atoba under the supervision of Imphal West Additional SP Operation Amarjit Lamabam carried out the operation from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and verified altogether 330 individuals. They have taken 24 individuals without proper identification proofs for further investigation at City Police Station. Cordon search operations were also carried out at Saiton Hayai Kong in Bishnupur district today. A combined team of Bishnupur District Police led by Bishnupur District Commando OC Inspector V. Lungthang Baifei and a team of 31st Assam Rifles personnel carried out the search drive from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. The team verified altogether 150 male inhabitants of the village. A person died on the spot in a road accident at Uripok Yambem Laikai last night at around 8:30 p.m. A passenger in a Bolero car, 31-year-old Ningthaujam Tolstoy, son of Ningthaujam Santi from Uripok Tarambam Laikai, succumbed to his injuries when the car smashed at the road divider in Uripok Yambem Laikai. Driver of the vehicle, called Khaidem Binu, son of Khaidem Daneshwar, is being treated at RIMS Hospital. Imphal West VDF Welfare Association has extended financial aid of 1 lakh rupees to the surviving family of deceased VDF personnel. Moirangthem Kiran, son of M. Maimu, son of Sekmaijing Hangun Awang Laikai, Imphal West, was posted at Mayang Imphal radio station. Speaking on the sidelines of the event held at Imphal West SP Conference Hall today, President of Imphal West VDF Welfare Association, Mohammad Riaz Khan, said that members of the association have been contributing funds to help bereaved family members to those VDF personnel who died while on duty. He assured that the association will continue to offer such assistance even in the future. Four-month Chaturmasya Vrata Samapan Samaroh concluded at Manipur Gita Bhavan in Pauna Market today, while the Ban Parikrama Divas Palan Sangh 2019 will be held at Sri Sri Gopinath on November 16. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren says Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reassured Manipur's integrity will be intact and no actions will be taken bypassing the state government. Congress Legislature Party MLAs will leave for Delhi tomorrow to urge Congress and central leaders to take measures against disintegration of Manipur. And Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights observe its 8th Foundation Day on Children of Today Are Keepers Tomorrow theme at Old High Court Complex today.